we're bringing in classic games back. Well, I don't have any other ideas for classic games. This is the only one that I had, and I just felt like playing Flutterscape. So yeah, we're playing Ang in Flutterscape now. Also, I'm sorry for not uploading yesterday. It's just because the screen recorder was not working, and yeah, I'm gonna go over to multiplayer now. Let's do easy because it's been a while since I've played this game. Only 2 out of 4. Why are there only 4 players? Alright, let's go. I'm not sure if you guys were able to hear me for that because I forgot to put my microphone on well my webcam that has an integrated microphone where I wanted it to be, so I don't know if it actually picked up the audio. And yeah, I'm sorry about that. If you didn't hear me, all I basically said was I'm sorry for not uploading yesterday, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, that was close. Oh, I'm not gonna die. And also, we're kind of bringing classic games back. I don't know. Maybe I'll have another idea for a classic game tomorrow. But for now, this is my only classic game idea that I have. So, yeah, tomorrow I might not be doing a classic game. Oh my god, no! Oh my. Wait a minute. Back. Okay. So that ladder was useless. Anyway. Now, oh, next one. I don't remember the maps because it's been a while since I've played this. No entry. Now entry. Epic gamer moment. Oh, thank you. I'm sorry for making you just push me out. I did not intend for that to happen, but thank you though. Thank you. That made it a lot easier on me. It was a lot quicker. And yeah. Wow, we're just going through this really quick. Come on, let's go. Get over here. I want to go to the next level. Oh wow, already? Let's try this. Medium mode. Let's see. How hard is medium mode? Easy mode was just, well, easy. That's why it's called easy mode. I was just flying through it. So, yeah, that's why we're gonna be doing medium mode, and I might die. Like, what? What's different about medium mode? Like, does the water rise faster, or what happens? Oh, I didn't see you. I thought we literally had to go into that place, but no, I was wrong. Okay, first level of medium mode done. Oh no, 2 out of 3 players left. I don't like that. Ow, no! How do you get up there? Okay, I might have underestimated it. However, I have a trick up my sleeve. Is there a gravity coil in here? Do I have or was it a different account that I had gravity coil? How many ones do I have? Oh, just 3. Well then. Perhaps I need more practice. Training. How's training mode? Agility. No. Not what I'm looking for. Okay, well, I guess I'll just go back over there. Also, I remember on my old account, I didn't have any Robux, but I wanted to get this because I could use any Roblox ID on here and play it for my custom taunt. Bro, isn't that just amazing? Custom taunts. 30 bucks. I can't pay 30 bucks. That's too expensive. And because I mean that's not that much bucks, but it's only like $1. No, that's like 50 cents, somewhere around 50 cents. But that's still too much for me because I don't even have Robux. $50 to play whatever sound on the Roblox music ID thing library, I don't know. Okay, as long as we don't get one of those levels that have like impossible jumps, would be able to win. Because last time I lost to an impossible jump. Perhaps there was a different way and I wasn't thinking correctly. Okay, the game has ended. Now it's time for more intermission. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Oh, anyway, okay, everyone, let's go, let's go. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, crap. Bum, 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 bum. Bada, bada, ba, bada, bada, ba, bada, bada, bada. I'm not sure if I can make that. Come on, no! I have to go through there. So I have to like speedrun it. I have to go get that as quick as I can, and then I go in. Well, that was just pretty much a waste. Alright, I'm sorry about that. Let's just act like that never happened. Let's go into easy mode. Come on, let's go. Custom songs. Yeah, I already know about that. So, what are we gonna do while we are waiting? I could just pause it, but I'm not gonna do that. You know why? We're already at the intermission. Full. Someone's just dying on the ground. Of that, he is no longer dying on the ground. Good for him. Oh, now let's go. Bada bada bum, bada bada bum, bada bada bum bum. Bada 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 bum. Abada bada, abada bada, abada bada. You guys are dying just because of that. Wait, so what do I do? Do I like... Wait, no, I have to go over there. Hop, 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 hop. Haha, I have made it. Beams. Oh my god, beams. Anyway. Oh, ladder. How are you meant to get that without dying? Oh my god. Well, I can't just... Okay. Anyway, fuck Johnson, I'm gonna go with here. No, lol, 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 and I just realized I can't, and now I'm depressed. And that way, what? Some gaming music. Of course, wait, you can do this? It's still not as good though because for this everyone can hear it. For this only you can hear it. Action music. Okay, when I get it 5 wins, I'll do action music because well, I think that would be good. Wait a minute, I just realized something. If for this, I muted the stuff because I thought it would be copyrighted. But if I put my own music in there, then I can get music that isn't copyrighted, and then I can actually put music. However, for this stuff, I'm not sure if it's copyrighted or not. So yeah, I'm not gonna risk it because on my because I actually made a Fleet of Facility video one time and I didn't upload that day because it got copyrighted because of some of the music in there. So yeah, I now really try to look for copyrights because I do not like copyright. It sucks. It sucks, man. And now I was just gonna do the thing where YouTube has a thing where it can just remove the music in there, but still keeps the leftover audio. But the problem with that is it's in its beta stage, meaning that it might not work. And if it doesn't work, then I just can't do that. So yeah. Well, I think that might have actually. I think that might have actually been the reason why I started playing different music over. Why I started playing non-copyright sounds music over my videos. I did it because it would mix in with the copyrighted music, and then YouTube would just be like, "Hey, there's nothing here." So yeah, if a copyrighted song does end up in my video and you happen to notice it, look, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, it's just I don't want it's just I don't want copyright. So yeah, I do that. If YouTube can't tell, then well, humans are smarter than YouTube's AI, but I'm still. It would like hardly be able to hear it. So yeah. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay, if you happen to notice it. Oh, oh, oh. This is gonna take a while. Okay, never mind. I wanna race for you. I don't know why I was doing that. What is the meaning of life? Mikan Sumiki from Danganronpa. Anyway. Here. Okay, okay, okay. And now, what do I do now? I actually, what do I do? What do I do? I get, okay, ladder. There's a ladder. There's a ladder. And the 2021. Let's go, let's go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We are here. A temporary solution. What does that? What do you mean temporary solution? Ah, okay. What? What? How am I meant to? I think I have to go like this, maybe? How do you do that? I don't understand. How do you do that? Oh no! Okay, I'm gonna go to medium mode now. And then I'll see how long this video is after this match. Okay. Mm-hmm. What happens when this happens? The game is okay. Oh, 1 out of 3 players left. Just for one player to die. That took like what, a whole minute? Well, I am impatient, so never mind. I am lucky. Anyway, why do I keep saying anyway? Oh god, I said it again. Oh no! No! I do not want to be trapped in here forever. I want to go back with you guys. Okay, Woo! Oh. Alright, pretty easy level. I couldn't pass it before because, I missed the jump on one and I wasn't quick enough. So, yeah, why is there so much stuff? On. This is a cool level. This is cool. Huh. Gotta be quick. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh. Man, you gotta be quick. You gotta be quick on that one. Well, at least, since I was the only one there, it ended right when I got out. So I'm gonna go in now. And now I have two people that I can sacrifice. I mean, help with. Yeah, yeah, definitely. I definitely didn't say sacrifice. Oh, you're just gonna jump down there. Okay. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Okay. Please. You're just gonna leave me behind with nothing? Don't just leave me behind! What the frick? Man, you could have at least tried to help. Like, come on. I hope you drown. I hope your parent. I hope your dog drowns in acid. Why? At least try to help me. Come on. Like, why do you just gotta leave me behind? I was gonna sacrifice you. Come on. Of course, I wasn't actually gonna sacrifice them. I was gonna help them, but I was just saying that as a joke. Now I can just be all by myself. There's no one to ruin it all for me. Quality check. What is that? There's no time. There's no time. There's no time. Ooh! What am I meant to do? What am I meant to do? No! I went the wrong way. Haha! I get another try, however. Alright, now I have someone to sacrifice. Awesome. This again. Where do we go? Where do we? No! He has the weak gravity coil. Oh man, this might take a while because he has the weak gravity coil. Wait, actually, how long is this video? Let me check. Alright, pause. Alright, so it's 24 minutes long, so I'll just do like 1, 2 more matches. I don't know. Yeah, I think two more matches. Okay, and we are now in the intermission. So yeah, good for me. Know what's good about the last person dying? It's that you get to immediately try again and you don't have to wait for someone else to die. You know why? Because you were the one who died, and the person who and the people who died before you are the ones that were waiting, and you aren't already. Wow. Hup. Oh man, that was close. Really did think I was gonna die right there, and then I know this one. I know this one. So I always gotta be quick. Oh, I almost died. Alright, we made it. What are you doing? Get in. Oh, well, she's dead. That sucks. Um, I think I'm dead. No! Yeah, I'm dead. Oh, crap, I fell. No! Come on, man! I'm gonna pause and see how long the video is now. Okay, so the video is 28 minutes long. So, yeah. What crazy blocks on Twitch for game development? Development. Game development? That's epic. Also, I don't know why, but when you go in first person, it makes you look like that you're tall. Really tall. Okay, one more match. And then that's it. Then the video will be done. Because, like, what? It's like, now is it 29 minutes, or is it still 28 minutes? Either way, there should still be enough time. Also, oh god, get out of my face. Quality check. No, you don't go that way. You go this way. Now, you're gonna die now. You're gonna die now because of what you did. You see? You just died. What do I do? What do I do? Oh god, thank god, that one removed the wall. Huh? Wait. No, 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 no! Oh man, I died on that one too. Let's see, how long is it now? There's 20 seconds until it gets to 30 minutes. Well, that's how it was whenever I pause it, but for you, it's it might be 30 minutes already now. So if it isn't right now, then it's probably very close. Less than 10 seconds away. So you know what? Actually, you know what? No, now it probably is because of all the talking I've been doing. Anyway, since if I had to guess, it is now. Thank you guys for watching the video. Like and subscribe, if you want, and yeah, bye. Recommend me other games because I do not know what to play. Okay, yeah, now bye for real.